The build is stainless steel and the silver color actually looks like the iPhone 15 Pro natural titanium. Super solid. The watch comes with motion sensors to play games. It's so cool. The Firebolt Royal has absolutely no bezels on the display. See it to believe it. Brilliant engineering. Hi there, here's the newly launched Firebolt Royal. It's a super premium stainless steel smartwatch from Firebolt that takes everything that you need. Quite literally. An AMOLED display, always on mode, Bluetooth calling, TWS connectivity, 4 GB internal storage to save MP3 music, motion sensor gaming, 300 plus sports modes, health tracking, built-in games and still more. My god, what a long list. Trust me, Firebolt has gone full throttle with this one. But there is still one thing missing which we shall talk further in this video. Right now, we have two units with us of different colors. Let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. As you can see, this one is silver and this one is blue. It's also available in black and grey. Now if you look closely, you can see the image of the watch, some key specifications. Yes, it comes with an AMOLED display. Towards the back, some more features, QR code for the companion app. On the side here, you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of 21,000. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. So let's quickly unbox it and we'll start with the silver one. So right on the top is the watch itself. Wow, this looks so cool. The usual paperwork that includes book my show coupons, you have the warranty card, then you have the user manual, a strap adjustment tool, and finally, the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnets are pretty strong, so it won't snap off easily. Let's check out the blue one, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same. And there you go, here's the blue watch. Wow, this looks so unique. The same coupons and the user manual, the strap adjustment tool, and of course, the Pogo pin charging cable. The straps come with this plastic protection to prevent it from getting scratched in the box. Pull this green arrow label to remove them. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch and we'll start with the silver one. First we'll get rid of the screen protector. Wow, that looks super premium. Yes, it is like a luxury smartwatch. This is a pure stainless steel watch. The frame, the body, the straps, everything is stainless steel. And let me tell you, it actually gives a look of that raw metal finish, just like titanium on the iPhone 15 Pros. Actually, it looks very, very similar. Superb. Gives an illusion of a Hublot or a very, very premium luxury watch. On this side, you can spot there are 3 buttons here, second, third, and on this side, it's absolutely clean. Best part is it's got a matte finish, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. The build quality of the frame is absolutely amazing. Super, super impressive. Now, if you look at the straps, the quality of the straps is also really nice. Check out the new design. If you move towards the back here, you can spot the Firebolt logo. And if you click this button, the straps will open. Now if you look at the back here, the back too is made of metal. Yes, the back is also made of metal and you can spot the heart rate sensor, speedometer sensor, the charging terminals up here, and if you look very closely, you can spot the speaker at the bottom here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. Very, very well built watch, I'd say. And of course, these straps can be changed as well, and of course, you can adjust the length of the strap, which we'll come to a little later. Let's quickly check out the blue one. Oh wow, this color is something else. Wow! I don't even know how to explain this color. Royal blue or dark blue or navy blue. It's just a very beautiful ink blue, I'll say. Very, very nice. Similar design, full metal stainless steel body. Quality of the straps is amazing. 3 buttons on the side. This is a rotating crown. Very good quality straps. Check that out. Wow. I say that Firebolt has made an excellent quality smartwatch here. And of course, if you move to the back here, the back too is made of metal and you can spot the sensors here, the charging terminals up here and the speaker at the bottom, which I know might be a little hard to see, but it's actually at the bottom for phone calls and for voice assistant. There you go. We are holding both side by side. Check this out. Looks absolutely amazing. Now, Firebolt didn't mention anything about IP rating, which is really surprising. But considering it comes with a huge list of water sports workouts, it's surely safe to say that it's splash resistant. So it's fine to wear it for your workouts, in the rain, but not recommended to be worn in the pool. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button on the side, the display will wake up. You press this button again, the display will turn off. Now this is a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. this is a really high resolution display, so even the smallest text is really clearly visible. Amazing color reproduction and super deep blacks, as you can see. Now if you want to change the watch faces, you can use this crown, and there are over 130 plus watch faces that you can change directly from the watch itself. You don't even need to access the app. One of my favorite part of this Firebolt Royal is the bezels. There are actually 0 bezels on the display. It's not like small bezels, it's 0 bezels. Check that out. Goes edge to edge, leaving no black lines at all. Absolutely killer. The moment you see a screen like this, you know it's a premium product. By the way, we also tested this watch outdoors under direct sunlight. It comes with 750 nits of peak brightness, which is why everything outdoors is also super clear. It's amazing. Let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe right to access the daily steps, heart rate, SpO2, weather, tap to talk is voice assistant, music player, phone calling, and you come back to the home page. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You have the QR code for the companion app. You can adjust the brightness from here. Check that out. Then you can go into the settings. There's display settings, there's clock style, there's idle clock, the screen off time, and yes, there's always on mode as well. Let's check that out. And there you go, always on time. Now I won't say it's very bright. Indoors it's clearly visible. Outdoors you might have struggled to see the time. Also remember, if you want to save battery, you keep this feature turned off. Coming back, by the way, you can use this crown to scroll further up and down. It's so convenient and precise. Then you have call reminders, you can set the time, vibration strength, brightness, view mode, as in you can choose list mode, different kind of grid mode, cellular mode, flower mode, all these kind of things. Set language, do not disturb. Then you have power saver mode, then you have lock screen. Then you have USB mode, where you can actually transfer songs using the mass storage, and of course you can also use the charge option to charge the watch. We'll come to the mass storage option a little later. About and system menu. Now to access the menu, you simply press this button on the top. You'll see step tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, sleep tracking, sports modes, sports history, music player, weather, dial pad, contacts, recent, messages, AI voice assistant. There's a calculator app, there's a voice recorder, there's a breathe app, there's some games. You have 2048, you have Snake, you have Flappy Bird, you have Colorblind Card. Oh my god, there are about 7-8 games right on the watch itself. Then there's alarm clock, and the good thing is you can set the alarm time as well as the amount of days you want to set it for directly from a smartwatch. I find that very convenient. Then you have stopwatch, then you have timer, you have flashlight, you can use the watch as a camera shutter, and settings. I must add that the interface is really smooth and extremely well optimized. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from your watch, simply swipe right. You'll see recent calls, contacts, and dial pad. We're going to dial pad and we are randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone call is being made. Now the audio hearing is actually from the speaker of the watch. It's really loud and clear. And of course, once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from here. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on a smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ringtone, there's a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name, you can reject the call, you can silence the incoming call, and you can talk directly using your smartwatch. It's really convenient. Of course, you can mute the microphone on the watch as well. Sadly, there is no option to transfer this call to your phone. But once you're done talking, you can press this button to end the call directly. Talking about the calling experience. Well, I must say that the speaker on this watch gets quite loud. You can easily use it indoors as well as outdoors. Call quality is pretty good. In most situations, the opposite person might not even know that you're using the watch to talk to them. But I miss some features like the speaker volume and the call transfer. But again, not a deal breaker. Talking about fit and comfort. We wore the watch and it was a little loose for my thin wrist. Though I know a lot of people like to wear it like this. Luckily, they have provided the strap adjustment tool where you can remove a couple of pieces to adjust the length. Now we have removed this, let's wear it and see. There you go, just perfect. Also like to add, the watch looks absolutely stunning. Just like a premium luxury watch. The build, the design, the finish and the attention to detail is super impressive. It does have some weight to it, but like me, you too are going to just love it. The other handy feature is that you can also pair your Bluetooth earphones or headphones from the music app and listen to music saved on the watch itself. It comes with 4 GB internal storage, about 3.5 GB of usable space. So you can roughly save 700 songs. Unbelievable. The process is fairly simple. Connect your charging cable to the watch. Now plug the USB side of the cable to the laptop or PC. A drive will be detected. Simply drag and drop the MP3 files on the drive. It will take a couple of seconds and you're done. Now let's go to the music app on the watch. Now you can play the music that you just copied from the watch speaker or from the Bluetooth earphones. It's just amazing. The watch also supports motion sensor gaming. There are a couple of gesture games in the Firebolt Companion app. Like here, we are moving our wrist to box. It's so cool. Then here's basketball. You will need some practice to get a little better. Then here's tennis. Wow, this is fun. And here's boxing again. Wow, I've actually done a lot of wrist exercise today, but it's truly entertaining. Something you must try. Coming to health monitoring. So we first tested heart rate, then tested SpO2, and then we also tested blood pressure. We got the readings for all, but as I always say, these are just smartwatches. Use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workout modes. So the Firebolt Royal comes with over 300 plus workout modes, and to quickly access it, press this button below, and here you can see running, hiking, riding, basketball, skipping, climbing, badminton, ping pong, football, yoga. Then it is subdivided into categories: fitness, casual workout, ball workout, water sports and chess. And if you go into water workouts, you'll see sailing, surfing, rafting, kayaking, dragon boat, ice hockey, there's skiing, there's cross skiing, motorboat. Oh my god, huge list. But sadly, I can't spot swimming in this. So that's something which you have to be careful about. Not to wear this in the pool, but yes, if it's going to get some splashes and all, it would be fine. Now when you go right on the top, we are going to start our running workout. Here you'll see the time of your workout, the distance, the speed, the current time. Then you can see the beats per minute, the calories burnt, and if you swipe right, you can actually end your workout or restart your workout. Fairly simple. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a huge 380 mAh battery that would easily last you a week with typical use. But if you're going to use it with lots of always on mode, high brightness levels, Bluetooth calling, then it would last about 2 to 3 days at best. Let's have a quick look at the Firebolt Invincible Pro app. So right here on the home page, you can see today's data, your sports record, calories burned, your heart rate information, blood oxygen, sleep levels, blood pressure. Then on the second page, you can actually use your phone's GPS also to track your outdoor workouts. You can use it for outdoor run, indoor running, walking, riding. Very, very handy feature. Then if you come to the third option, devices, right on the top you can see the battery percentage, you can see the devices connected, you can see dial management, which is watch faces. So here are 130 watch faces that come built in the watch. Yes, you heard me right, 130. And there's a huge collection, and the convenience of this is that suppose you like this watch face, you simply click on it and click on current watch face and it is set instantly. You don't need to download it. Then there's also an option for a custom watch face. If you come into custom dial, you can choose the font, you can choose the background, everything can be set as per your preference. Then of course, motion games that you can access from here. Then alarm settings, sedimentary reminders, drink water reminder, do not disturb, frequent contacts, push messages. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Find a phone, reset, firmware upgrade, push system notifications and unbind. If you come into profiles, you can set your targets, customer feedback, about, app stability. The only thing that this app lacks is that you can't share data with Google Fit or Strava. I wish that option was there. Apart from that, this app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So the only con I see is no built-in GPS. I think that would have made this watch just the perfect package. But clearly, that would have also increased the price, hence I'm assuming they decided to skip it. Apart from that, this watch has more than you can ask for when it comes to features and hardware. But I want you to look beyond all that. It's a premium built, gorgeous looking luxury watch. The feeling of wearing something that looks so good, and that's what makes Royal better than the rest. It's priced at $4,999. This is an introductory price. It goes on sale today. It's available in 5 colors, including black, gold, and even rose gold. I'll share the links of all these colors in the description. This one is easily recommended. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.